Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a little bunny cupcake. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet bunny, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of our cupcake. So I'm going to start right here and just give myself a point, and then I'm just going to go right across and say about this wide and give myself another point. This just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going, and so then from there I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big curve all the way to the top and bring it down. So I'm going to come right about here towards the center, and then we can start to come down all the way back to your point. There, so nice big curve, very full cupcake. So now that I have that curve in, I'm going to come to the side right here, and we're just going to draw a smaller curve for the sides of our cupcake. So same thing here. And then I'm going to bring it in. Just going to go back and forth from about here to about the same level. Then we're going to draw 3 more curves. Oh, you can draw as many as you like, of course. I'll just simplify mine, just draw 3. So 1 here and then 1 right in the center. And then going back up a little bit and completed. There. And then from there we need to draw our bottom. So let's come in right here. We're just going to draw a soft angle coming down. There, and then round it off. Just going to make the bottom very short because it's all about the top, and connect it with a soft curve all the way across. There, now we have our cupcake. Then let's see here, let's find our center. So let's say about right here. And we need to make it a bunny, right? So we're just going to add some cute ears. So we're going to go out and come right back in. And same thing on the other side. Out and right back in. And then let's draw the inside. So we're just going to follow the outside. And same thing here. There. And then from there, let's bring it to life. So a little bit above this 2 points right here, I'm just going to kind of draw this circle for the eye. So let's say about, start about right here. Got one eye in, and then we're going to come across about, say about right here to draw the other eye. Oops. This one's always the harder one to draw, right? Because you have to match it, and then you have to make sure it's a bit centered compared when you put both of them in, right? Okay, so there. Now we have our 2 circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile. So right about here, I'm just going to draw a curve and cap it off. There. And then to add some details, let's come back to the bottom right here. And in the center area, I'm just going to lightly draw a straight line down. And then we're just going to start to give this wrapper some detail. So just drawing these lines, and notice as I go this way, I'm slanting more. And the center is straight, and so same thing, we're going to slant this way now. Just gives our wrapper some dimension and detail. And one more. There. And then of course we need to decorate the cupcake, so I'm just going to come in here and just add a bunch of sprinkles, but it's all up to you what you want to add. So I'm just going to add at different angles these long sprinkles. Try my best to make them all about the same size. And just here and there, lightly add them. Another one here. And let's see. One here. And another one here. I always tend to overdo it, right? And hopefully that's in. Okay, I think we need one more at this top part here. And that is it, I promise. And let's see here. And we need to add a heart, right? Almost forgot. So let's see here. I'm just going to add it right here in the center. Nice big heart on our wrapper. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cute bunny cupcake. I really hope you love how it turned out, and I hope you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.